comes out just like that. Here is the camping table. And again, really solidly built. It's really easy to take down as well. You just unclip from the sides, pull it out from the little clips, and then it just concertinas back up like that. That comes off, and just pull them like that, with a button, undo it. Same again this side, pull it apart. So you just take a little bit of weight off the legs, pull that up, and then it folds. It's just simply Velcro them shut to stop them from springing back open, and you're good to put that back in the bag. There you go.